So, good morning. In this lecture video, we are going to see the topic if conditionals. If conditionals is one of the very easiest grammar topic. So, we'll get into the topic now. So, a conditional sentence has two parts, such as if class and main class. The if class and main class also be mentioned as independent class or subordinate class. So what is the role of these sentences in English grammar? In the sense, usually the condition which is expressed in if class alone, so the main class gives a complete meaning. So just look at the sentence just given in the box. If it rains, I will stay at home. So what is the condition? If it rains only, I will stay at home. If it is not rain, in the sense I can move around, I can go out for a shopping, something like that. So this is what the concept of this topic, if conditionals. In this if conditionals, we have four types of conditional sentences, such as open or probable condition, improbable or imaginary condition, impossible or unfulfilled condition, and zero condition. So we'll see in detail about all these four forms in one by one. So first we'll see about open or probable condition. So open or probable condition, there is a possibility of happening things when the if condition takes place. For instance, there is a sentence, if I go to Delhi, I will visit Taj Mahal. So what is the condition here? If I visit Delhi, if I go to Delhi, if I get a chance to go Delhi, I will visit Taj Mahal. If I didn't get a chance, I will not visit Taj Mahal. If you ask her, he will help you. If you are not asking her, asking her, she will not help you. So in this open or probable condition, the sentence structure is if plus simple present tense. Along in the main class, you can use will or shall along with the first form of a verb, and second form is known as improbable or imaginary condition. So the structure for constructing an improbable or imaginary condition is if plus simple past tense. In the main class part, you have a past form of will and shall, and modal auxiliaries such as would, should, could, might, and all. So imaginary condition itself, you can able to understand that there is a possibility to think about the outcome of an event, and there is no need to the event will happen in front of us. For instance, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. Thing is that I can't become a bird right now, so I can just imagine it. If I was a millionaire, I could buy luxurious car, bungalow, luxurious theater, or else I can buy a aircraft and all. Whereas if it happens like this, in the sense the outcome will be like this, like that, you can construct a sentence for improbable or imaginary condition. So in English grammar, normally we will not use where with the subject I, but only in the case of if conditional, especially in the second conditional, type 2 conditional alone, we are constructing by add where with the subject I. And also I like to tell another example for this. If I dropped this chalk piece, just imagine that you are holding a chalk piece in your hand, a chalk piece or a mobile phone, whatever it is. If I dropped this object in my hand, what will happen? That is related to the imaginary condition. The outcome will be it would break into pieces. And the third type, and here we have a small assessment to check about your understanding of this topic. So what are all the conditions you are much familiar, you can name it here. If I were you, would marry him. So just now we have completed this explanation. So it is under type 2 condition. And if I had known, we didn't see this yet, so we'll skip the question. Will you call me if you are free? So it is under open or probable condition. So we'll just skip the sentence which has had in it, and we'll complete this exercise after see through other two types of conditions, unfulfilled or impossible condition. So this is under third type condition. So here we have following the structure of if plus past perfect tense, that is had in a sentence. In a main class you can use the modal verb with have plus past participle structure. So we'll explain with the sentence, if I had written my exams well, I would have passed my exam. So what is the outcome here? She didn't get pass in that exam. So if she wants to change her results in the sense where she should start, she could write her exams in a better way. So that's why we named it as a impossible condition. So impossible in the sense you are not supposed to change the outcome at any cost. If you want to change, you should change the condition. So like that you can connect it. So that's why we are using the past perfect tense structure here. So in if class you can use had plus past participle form of a verb. In a main class you can use the modal auxiliary a past form along with the have plus v3 structure. And next we have zero condition. So zero condition is the only one condition which use present simple form of tense in both the places, that is if class and main class areas. You can use zero condition to talk about the real time examples, truth, fact, information, scientific truth, and all. Like that you can use zero condition. In the sense, if you boil water, if you heat water, it boils. If you heat ice, so what will be the outcome? It melts. If I oversleep, if I sleep over in the sense, what will happen? Obviously I miss the bus, so it gets delay for me to reach the office or college. So usage of conditional sentences in our day-to-day conversation help us to communicate well and to understand things in a better way. So try to use these four conditional sentences in our day-to-day conversation. If you want to specify something in the sense, use the conditional sentences, especially any of the four forms. Thank you.